Governors Adina and Petrie here. I just got my shipment in from CNS Feeders. I ordered over the weekend, so it didn't ship till the 1st, and today is the 3rd. I don't want to mess with the box too much, but it says priority 2-day mail, but it took 3 days. No big deal as long as everything's alive. Let's see. Wait, Pop, you're gonna want to be here for this. So, let's get this open. I ordered a combo 3-pack and added some super worms on. Yeah, I know, I'm cutting towards myself. Bad. Apparently I missed some tape. So, let's see what we got in here. Oh, the hornworms are so cute. I've never done hornworms before. And so if you can see in the box, that's what we got going on. Some newspaper. Ooh, Petrie sees something. Petrie's never had these before. So, oh, you're just gonna walk by them like you didn't even see them? He doesn't know what they are. So, hornworms. I've got some super worms. 100 large super worms. Pop, you're gonna want to come here for this, buddy. I've got wax worms, 100 wax worms, and then 100 small super worms. They are small. They're just small super worms. So let's empty our box. So yeah, see if I can get y'all a better look. Hornworms. I am gonna give him one of these, even though they're tiny itty bitty, just because I want to give him one. Never had them before. And then I'm gonna let the other ones grow big and fat. Let's see. My super worms. I don't have their bin in here with me right now. It's in the front room. But it's my supers. I am gonna attempt to breed super worms, so we'll see how that goes. Smalls. See them? Nice and lively. Really active. That's good. Makes me happy. And then these wax worms, which Petrie is going to be so excited about. Wax worms. Let's see. Come here, Pop. Pop, look. Look. Ooh, what is it, Pop? Are you going to get it? Petrie, if you watch my last video, he hasn't had worms in a very, very long time because I haven't been able to afford them. But you'll see my reasoning if you go back in through my videos. Are you gonna get them? He sees them. And Petrie approves. I'm gonna go ahead and give him a big old fat super. Petrie hasn't had supers in a really long time either. Petrie tested and approved. See if I can grab a baby hornworm for him. I know they're so little, but I want to see if he's gonna. Ooh, they're so soft. He's like, I don't know what that is, Mama. Gonna get it? Get it. Get it. Oh, you like it? Yay! He's like, what else can I have? What else can I have, Mommy? So it's been a long time, Mommy. Can I have more worms, Mommy? Okay, that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching.